All right, Memorial Day weekend. In addition to the race, of course, a lot of people grilling out, having family together, and, you know, folks hoping no rain.
Yeah, kind of our unofficial start to summer. A lot of the pools open, so people want to get out and enjoy some warm weather. We are going to see some warm weather. We're also going to see some cloud coverage. But I think most of central Indiana is going to stay dry. Now, we've been watching this system to our southeast. We have a couple of systems, an upper level low, a surface low, so a lot going on. And you can see even the cloud coverage really kicking in, a lot of clouds from a couple of these systems. Our water vapor imagery, this is depicting the dry air and moist air in the atmosphere. The greens picking up the moisture. So in the mid levels, upper levels, we're starting to see a little bit more moisture working into central Indiana. The orange is depicting the dry air, but at the surface, it's still very dry with those dew points still in the upper 30s and low 40s. Because of this easterly breeze, it's really keeping the surface dry. Air temperature right now, 75 degrees in Indianapolis, 77 in Kokomo, 76 degrees in Greencastle. Now here's a look at this circulation here with the visible satellite. You can really see the cloud coverage, and this is trying to work its way to the northwest. So the models do have this system pushing farther to the northwest, bringing more cloud coverage, especially in the southeast central portion of Indiana. So this is a look tomorrow morning at 7:30. So we notice that it's trying to bring in a little bit of moisture first thing in the morning. I do think it's going to still be very dry. Notice the dew points are forecasted to be into the upper 40s at the surface tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Now we don't show this very often, but precipitable water, we're looking at how much moisture is in the atmosphere. So by tomorrow at 8 a.m., a little bit of a wedge of moist air in the mid levels, all around it, much drier air. So still not a lot of moisture to work with, as the system doesn't have a lot of energy. It will try to bring in a couple of sprinkles. The best chance will be in the afternoon. And nonetheless, even if we do see some rain on radar, a lot of it's going to evaporate before it makes its way to the ground. So really think it's going to be mainly cloudy at the track tomorrow, which is great news for the track, for the racers, as of course the spectators. To south central and east central Indiana, maybe a couple of spotty showers by tomorrow evening. Again, they will be very light, maybe a couple hundredths to a tenth of an inch of rain. So highs tomorrow will be quite a bit different from northwest to southeast. More cloud coverage really along and south of I-70. 73 degrees is the forecasted high for Indianapolis. 76 though in Lafayette, where it will be brighter in north central Indiana. 69 for Columbus. So if you're heading to the track tomorrow, we'll likely have a lot of cloud coverage. Despite that, you still need to wear the sunscreen, as that sun can penetrate through that clouds, and we'll see those temperatures climbing into the low 70s tomorrow afternoon. As that green flag drops at 12:45, we'll see the air temperature hovering right around 70 degrees. Here's a look at Sunday night into Monday. It does look like we're going to see a lot of dry conditions as this system really fizzles out. Here's a look at your Memorial Day forecast. We'll see a high around 76 degrees, mostly sunny skies with those winds out of the northeast, and then we're heating things up. We'll be into the upper 80s on Tuesday, upper 80s again on Wednesday. Hot and hazy Thursday and Friday will bring a chance of a stray storm on Friday. Cooler again next weekend. Jenny.